Hey guys, I'm in Yorkton, 277 Yorkton Avenue in Penticton. I'm going to show you this beautiful place. I can't wait to show you because it's got 1,200 square feet, very almost luxury, but it's really nice finishing and lots to see. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, almost 1,200 square feet. What else? Oh, gas. Everything is gas, hot water, so very easy maintenance. And a deducting system, the design, the layout, everything is just primo. Okay, let's go take a look. This home offers one of the best layouts in the building. Nice large living room with an open space kitchen. And we go into the first bedroom. Decent size, 12 feet on both sides. Bathroom, bathtub to notice. And then the primary bedroom offers plenty of space and even a Juliet balcony. In the bathroom, we can find a tub, we can find the sink, and we can find the shower. If you like to live here, please let me know.